Are you having trouble with allow explicit content on the Spotify app? If explicit songs aren't playing, the setting is disabled, or you can find or change the option. These troubleshooting steps may help. In this video, I will show you how to fix allow explicit content on Spotify app. The first thing you have to do is to go to Spotify. Then here in this page, you will go to above to the sign off profile. In this list, you will click on settings and privacy. Then here in this page, you will find content and display. And here in this page, you will find this window. As you see, content and display. And in this window, you will find display or explicit content setup here. So please don't forget.